Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to the Great North Gardener. My name is Albert, and I am so glad you've joined me today. I grow in a Zone 5A climate, so I know a thing or two about chilly winters and the plants that survive them. This is a how-to guide to learn Zone 5 perennials that work in a northern climate. Perennials that come back every year without fuss. My goal is to make gardening feel easy and relaxing, not a chore. Choose the right plants from the start, and the garden does the heavy lifting. What makes a perennial unkillable in Zone 5? Resilience. Deep, strong roots to handle frozen ground. Dormant in winter, then bursting back in spring. Not fussy about soil, and many handle drought or heavy rain. They give your garden strong, low-effort structure. I've curated 10 perennials that never let me down. Plants for sun and shade, tall drama and ground covers, from late spring through frost. Let's begin with a true garden aristocrat, the peony. Enormous, often fragrant flowers in late spring to early summer. They're long-lived, often outliving the gardener. Pink, white, red, even yellow. Care tip: plant peony eyes no more than 2 inches below the soil surface for blooms. For shade, hosta is your best friend. A huge range of sizes and colors, plus summer flower spikes. Top tip: protect from slugs with crushed eggshells or diatomaceous earth. Daylily. Each flower lasts a day, but there are loads of buds. Weeks of color in mid to late summer, full sun to light shade. Divide every 3 to 5 years when flowering dips, then replant the divisions. These 3 alone can anchor a spectacular Zone 5 garden, getting better each year. Sedum, or stone crop. Succulent-like, drought-hardy, brilliant late-season color. Full sun and well-drained soil, then mostly forget it. Don't overwater. Asters are the autumn fireworks in blue, purple, and pink. Pinch stems by half in June for bushy plants and more flowers. Coneflower, or echinacea, blooms midsummer into fall, wildlife magnet. Deadhead for repeats, but leave some seed heads for winter food and interest. Together they carry color and structure right up to the first snowfall. Tall garden phlox stands proud from mid to late summer. Colors from white and soft pink to vibrant magenta and lavender. Give it air circulation to prevent powdery mildew. Lupine brings dramatic spires in single and bicolor shades. Cool sun, good drainage, and go easy on fertilizer. They fix nitrogen. Catmint is tough, drought-tolerant, deer-resistant, and wildly floriferous. Give it a haircut after the first flush for a fresh round into autumn. Lupin adds spring drama, phlox perfumes midsummer. Catmint softens edges with bees humming. Hardy geranium, not the annual, a true perennial for gaps and soft edging. Blooms from late spring into summer in blue, pink and white. Shear after the first big flush to refresh foliage and flowers. Good soil matters. Average garden soil is fine if it drains well. If you've got heavy clay, mix in compost to improve structure. Plant crowns at or just above soil level. Too deep can cause rot. First season, water deeply once or twice a week if rain is scarce. Add 2 to 3 inches of organic mulch to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and insulate. Keep it off the crown. Resist crowding. Read tags and give plants room to mature. It may look sparse at first, but patience pays with healthier, happier plants. Spring. Tidy beds, cut back old stems, and top dress with compost. Divide oversized clumps like daylilies and share the extras. Summer. Water deeply during dry spells and enjoy the show. Deadhead to keep things tidy and encourage more blooms. Autumn. Asters and sedum deliver a final burst of color. After the first hard frost, cut back peonies and hostas. Leave some coneflower seed heads and sturdy sedum for birds and winter beauty. Apply a final mulch layer after the ground cools, before it freezes. Winter. Your perennials rest, tucked safely beneath soil and snow. Use the quiet to dream, sketch plans, and pick next season's additions. Those first green shoots in spring make it all worth it. You've now got the essentials to build a resilient, beautiful Zone 5 garden. Start with the big 3, add late-season stars and cottage classics, and you'll have color from spring to frost. Enjoy the process. The garden should feel relaxing, a joy, not a job. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. Cheers from the Great North Gardener. See you in the next one.